I think the key thing is that you have to, well, first of all, you have to take ownership of your career.
Absolutely.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay, you can't, nobody's going to do it for you.
Yeah.
And secondly, you have to maintain, I think this is very important nowadays, you have to allow yourself to be curious about a lot of different things.
Early on.
Even if you don't necessarily see a direct connection. We have to kind of encourage a kind of Montessori approach to learning, which is that we want to encourage you, the employee, to explore the world of business and technology on your own terms. You're building a mental model of how the world might look in 3 or 4 years. And if you can start building an accurate mental model, first of all, you will see the opportunities before other people do.
And that's all we're trying to do.
You will make the connections before other people do. You will see what the applications of the future will be before other people do. And one of the key things here, though, is that you have to allow yourself to be curious.
Right.
And that is going to be maybe on the job. You know,
Yep.
you shouldn't be afraid to be using YouTube, to be watching a 10-minute Udemy course on cybersecurity or a 15-minute lecture on deep learning on YouTube.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a subject matter expert. You might need to only know what fits on an index card.
Yeah.
But those index cards pile up.
Yeah, they do.
And they have a compounding effect.
Yeah.
And before you know it, you have a pretty realistic idea about what the future might look like.